So Quinn, like, why do you think pages are designed like that? Like, who do you see as the abuser of that pretty often? Like, which department of which person, which role?
Everybody. I mean, we're all just like business owners and we want to get stuff done. So we just like do it and we execute and we get it out there and we're trying things. But once you kind of get stuff out there, you want to make it better. So it's about like finding out how people are using the information. Are they able to find the things that they want to find and the flow that they want to find it? So it's just like, sometimes you just execute and push stuff out and you don't really put a lot of thought into it, or maybe you just don't have that kind of knowledge. Like not everyone is great at user experience or design and they can't like see these things. So maybe they're just oblivious. So yeah, it's just a pretty common thing.